Carbonara. Hey, Isra! Hot! Hot. Carbonara tayo, guys. Nice spaghetti. Cream of mushroom. Bacon. Ham. Ayan, guys. Luto na ang aking bacon. At saka ham. Then, nag-melt ko og butter for my garlic and mushroom. Cream mushroom. Ayan siya, guys. Sabaw natin ito, guys. Ang garlic. Then, I'm gonna add water. Maybe 2 cups of water and cream of mushroom. Ito yung spaghetti. Ito yung spaghetti ko, guys. Tingnan natin. Malapit na yung spaghetti ko. Ayan siya, guys. Ibaw natin, guys. Dagdagan lang natin siya ng 3 tablespoons of flour and then water. Ayan siya. Carbonara. I'm gonna add this bacon and ham. Ooh, look at it. Gigi. Parmesan cheese. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Carbonara. Very creamy carbonara. Yeah. Just wait, mommy. It's very hot. It's very hot. Wow. Hi, guys. Nagmukbang ko carbonara. Na ham and bacon. Dami siya, guys. First time, not bad. Creamy ka siya. Very creamy. Carbonara ni Lindsay. First time ko nagluto, guys. Daghan kay siya kuan. Bacon ug ham. Kain na nyo na. Plate for my husband.